Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your home, control in your life, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Saturday. I'm so glad that you're joining me on the weekend. It's just as important. Every day is very important. So today what we're going to do is our morning routine. If you can, get up before the family. You don't have to, but on Saturday, I think it gives you that added advantage. So get up before the family, do your morning routine. After the morning routine, get your family up. Don't let them stay in the bed all day. I know the teenagers really love to catch up on their sleep on the weekends, and that's okay, just not forever. Okay, and then also don't forget your morning chores. Those things that you have to do, that you've elected to do, that you've committed to do. Gathering eggs, milking the goats, those kinds of things, feeding the dog, walking the dog, all your morning chores. So we want to get those out of the way. Now, we're going to do our 3-layer cake. First layer is our routine. So that's it. Now, if you are a payroll lion living in our new strength, then you're going to go ahead and start a load of laundry and go through an inch of paper. If you're an at-home lion, living in our new strength. I can't say that enough. I just love that. Then you will have gotten all of your laundry done this week, right? Okay, so whoever has to do laundry, keep your ear out. Make sure that you hear it when it's done, or there's apps for your phone, or you can set a timer on your stove. I don't care. Just make sure you're aware of when the washer stops, and you can start the dryer. And then when the dryer stops, you can go grab your clothes while they're fresh and warm and sweet, and fold them or hang them up and put them away. That's about a 7-minute project. Okay, if this is a day that you've given to your children to do their laundry, then you want to make sure you inspect what you expect and make sure they're getting those things done. You have to kind of stay on top of it. That's the not fun part of parenthood. Don't forget to be firm but kind. Okay, all right, then for my payroll lions, what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and do any of the weekly, basic weekly plan things that you didn't get done. So maybe you weren't able to get your groceries done. So you're going to go do groceries today. Let's make a list of the things you're going to do and then prioritize them and then go do them. So did you get the weekly home blessing hour done? If you did, or maybe you only have one thing left, get that done quickly. Right? If you didn't, then that's an hour that you're going to be working, unless you delegate. In that case, it could be as little as 20 minutes if there's 3 of you working on it, right? Weekly home blessing hour, groceries. I am going to assume, I know that's not a nice word, we have those lovely little sayings about it, but if you work, that you have that hour of lunch where you've already checked your checking account, you've made your grocery list. There are loads of things we can do at work on our breaks and our lunch hours and even on downtimes, although I don't want you to focus on those things during your downtimes. But it's okay. If your boss allows it to have a little downtime, then you can do it then. All right, some of us are laughing because there is no downtime and you barely get your breaks and lunch. You know, so maybe you didn't get your bills paid and you're the one in charge. That's going to be something else you're going to do today. How about your car and purse? Did you get that done? So these are things you're going to get done today. That's in the 2nd layer. The 3rd layer is your zone. Now, at-home lions, no zone for you. You did your zone 4 times this week. Payroll lions, if you decided to do your 10 minutes of weekly home blessing hour and your 10 to 15 minutes of zone every day while the food is simmering on the stove, then you don't have to do anything today. But if you didn't, then you're going to do your zone. The zone we were in all week was the kitchen, so you're going to get your kitchen done. If it's decluttering that needs to be done, you're going to declutter for 15 minutes, stop and complete the process, throw away, put away, give away, go back in, do it for 15 more minutes, stop and complete the process, throw away, put away, give away, do it 1 more time, just 3 times. I really don't want you working 4 times because when you're completing the process, you're working over an hour. That's why it's so much better to get it every day, but that's for decluttering. Now, if you are just doing something in your kitchen, then pick 4 little things to do in your kitchen. Let's say you're going to clean the top of the stove real good. You're going to mop the corners of the room real good because you already are catching the middles when you're doing your mopping during the weekly home blessing hour. Maybe you needed to wipe the garbage can down, and how about that floor in the pantry you wanted to rearrange? That's it, okay? Just 4 little things. You don't have to do those things, of course. I'm just pulling things out of my hat. All right, so after that, the only other things that any of us have left is our after dinner routine and our before bed routine. Now tomorrow is Renew Your Spirit Day, so you're going to make sure that you talk to the family. We have to have expectations set. We're talking to them about we're going to church tomorrow. Even if you go every Sunday, say it again. And if you never go, you definitely need to say it. We're going to church tomorrow. Get some enthusiasm and some excitement about it. You know, going to church tomorrow. This is what you're going to wear. Or you can choose between this, this, and this. Or, you know, show me what you want to wear. Whatever, however you handle that. But the clothes need to be laid out. Yours as well. You need to look on your planner and see if there's anything special about tomorrow that you need to be aware of that you've forgotten about. Maybe you forgot you promised Grandma you were going to go visit after church or whatever. All right, so get all that done. And then go to bed early enough so that everybody's not cranky pants in the morning, right? And get up and do your morning routine. You will have to get up early and do that morning routine and get yourself together. And then get the kids up and go through their morning routine and then out to church. Don't forget your chores. Daily chores have to happen every day. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fantastic day. I look forward to talking to you again tomorrow. And in the meantime, remember that you are beautiful. Bye.